create this cinematic chrome title in After Effects. Go to my text tool, type your title, chrome, super creative, increase the font size, command double click the pan behind tool, and then center it. New, solid, make it a dark greyish colour, apply turbulent noise onto that solid, fractal type to swirly, contrast 150, and on frame 1, keyframe the evolution, go to the final frame and just type 1, so it's done 1 full rotation. On the track matte of the solid, change it to the text, and then move it below the text. Then apply blobulize, apply that to the solid. Blob layer, change to the text, softness 10, cutaway 1. Apply curves to the solid, just make a simple S curve, pull down the shadows and increase the highlights. Look at that. Highlight both layers, pre-compose. Okay, duplicate the pre-comp with Command D. Gaussian blur on the top layer, blurriness to 30. Change the blending mode of the top layer to screen. Add a glow to the bottom layer. Increase the threshold to about 90. And depending on how retro or fantasy-esque you want it, increase the radius accordingly. So I'm going to increase mine to about 50. Either pull down the intensity or increase it. Oh, I quite like it shiny. I'm going to do 1.5 intensity. And voila, there we have it, our premium cinematic chrome text effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.